Kia ora, good morning. It is Friday, and so much happened overnight. Let's just crack straight into some of the highlights. I'm Mike from Markets. This is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. It'll be longer than a minute. You know how it works. It's fine. Yeah. Okay. So starting with equities, because they are as good a proxy for general sentiment as anything. They were mixed. Asia higher, Europe lower, US little of each. Yeah. Wider market, it was mixed too. So that's good. Our sentiment proxy system works. Yeah. Commodities, gold and oil lower, industrial metals and ores higher. Currencies, all over the show. Mixed. Yeah, we'll come back to those. Data and drivers, most were US related, and they were mixed. I love it when everything comes together. It makes it so easy. Brexit, a feature too, but starting with the US, weekly jobless data, good. Monthly manufacturing data for August, not so good. A survey suggested that the manufacturing sector in the US contracted. We haven't seen that in a good while. At the same time, a couple of members of the US Federal Reserve, they expressed that they were yet to be convinced on the need for a significant additional stimulus, rate cuts, that sort of stuff. That manufacturing data, that might help with the convincing. Yeah, so plenty of mixed messages there. Biggest mixed message, though, that came from President Trump. US economy is strong, but we need lower interest rates. Yeah, we've heard that before, but it's certainly very on theme, mixed theme for today. Brexit. Not so much mixed there, more maybe misinterpreted. So Boris Johnson, he met with his counterparts from Germany and France, Merkel and Macron. It was made pretty clear by the European leaders that the negotiation is still off the table. More of that stuff we've heard before. But Merkel made a comment about a solution being possible in 30 days. She was trying to imply that if you put your mind to it, you can do anything, but Boris took it as a Brexit solution being a literal 30 days away. And by the looks of it, the pound, by the looks of the pound, so did the market. Yeah, the pound is up by about 1% against the US dollar. The Kiwi is off about 0.5% against the US dollar, and that adds up to a double whammy hit for the Kiwi sterling. We were at 52.8-ish pence yesterday afternoon. This morning we are down around 51.9 something. Yeah, lowest level since June. Kiwi against the USD, that traded to an overnight low of 63.62 US cents, lowest level since January 2016. And the Kiwi's downward momentum, that came from Chinese yuan weakness. It fell to a decade low and a bit against the greenback, and took the Kiwi along for the ride. So Kiwi, yeah, worst performing major currency overnight. We're going to open lower against everything. Okay, surface skims there, barely, but you know we're doing our best. We'll have some more colour for you in first hand, including Kiwi currency levels, so you can get reacquainted with what's going on. Yeah, happy Friday, happy weekend. Ka kite anō.